Dear student, as I am discussing about the topologies, I am discussing about the mesh topology. So mesh topology, what I said, it is very easy to detect the problems, and those the problems what are there that can be examined, and the node can be easily detached, and new node can be again installed. Disadvantage is what lot of cables is required, because as you seen the structure is very meshy structure. It is there too much cable, that means too much cost, and too many cables means too much complexity is also there. Okay, so this is what your mesh topology. Next, we come to the tree topology. Tree topology means one central node will be there. From the central node, it will be divided into the rest different sections. So those the central node is there. From the central node, there will be part and subpart. So tree topology is what advantage of this particular tree topology. It is written wrongly. This will be not be mesh. This will be tree. Okay, this thing will be tree. This will not be mesh. So advantage of this particular topology is that in this particular topology it is scalable. Okay, so and the node is what identified, and it is node may remain isolated, but maintenance is very tough for here, because you have to go from the siblings to the top. It is very difficult. Okay, there can be many here. One sibling has been shown. This is the siblings. Okay, one siblings has been shown. There can be many siblings, and those the siblings can have many more siblings are there. Okay, now if this backbone is failed, this one is failed, then total system will going to collapse. Okay, this is what the tree topology. Now hybrid topology. Okay, hybrid topology. Hybrid means, see here, this is one topology, along with that another is added. So this is what, this is the topology. We know it just now. We have read it is a tree topology structure. With the tree topology, the centralized topology, that means star topology is added. So this is was bar, string, star. If they added with each other and forms the communication system, this is known as an hybrid topology. Okay. Now, type of network. What are the type of network we can get? We can get the four type of network. One is PAN. PAN means personal area network. The communication between the two, three mobile devices or PC is a personal communication. Local area network, LAN. It is limited within a particular building or a block. Okay. Metropolitan area network within a city. It will be going to the, suppose, Siliguri metropolitan area. CCN connection is one of the example. Wide area network, or any type of wide area network within a city, within a state, countries, worldwide, anywhere, any part you can do. So PAN, what is a PAN? PAN means, what is it? Personal area networking. So it will spread approximately for the individuals. That means it will be covered within a few radius. Set up what? Guided by a media or USB cables. Okay, so unguided media means what? Bluetooth or infrared you can also use. That means owned, controlled and managed by one single person. What is an example? Example means network devices such as a computer, phones, MP3, MP4 player, camera, etc. All these can transfer the data from one particular part to the another particular part, from one phone to the another phone. PAN can with a two phone transferring the data with a two phones or two devices. Okay, LAN, local area network, means it will be within a particular area. Suppose in SIT building or in your block, there is a, in your campus you are staying in the flats. In that particular flats, there are many flats and many complexes are there. So they are combining in that particular area only. Okay, so any part of this area, if it is combined in your house only, any type of work it can do, any type of area it can do. So not a huge range will be very small. So star, ring, bus, tree, all this can be attached with it. Any type of topology you can do. Characteristics, what? It is a private network, totally a private networking system, operated relevantly with a high speed ethernet, and token ring will be used and connect a computer to a single buildings, blocks and a campus. Okay, like your CCN in your area, the CCN, if I take it as a LAN connectivity, it is a LAN connectivity system. Okay, now advantage of LAN and disadvantage of LAN advantage, resource can be easily shared, software application can be shared easy, and it is the cheapest means of communication system. It is a centralized data, one will going to control. Data security is there, internet sharing is there. Okay, And disadvantage, high setup cost. Cost is very high.